So first open any browser and put their Blogger URL www.blogger.com, and here is the Blogger dashboard. You can see. Now scroll down and click on the setting button. Here is the setting button. Click on it and you can see that's interface. Now I need to scroll down because I need to go custom ads.txt. Scroll down and here is the custom.txt. You can see enable. We need to enable also custom.txt, and here is the custom text. We need to put there our ads tag. Here is right. Now put the text and click on the save button. That's it. And the second guide, now we learn how to add the ads code as unit code on the blog. So we need to go and click layout button. So you can see that's the interface. Here is my layout and click on any ad gadget. So you can see that's menu. Here is first of all Adsense. So click on the Adsense and you can select any ads unit, but I'm showing a responsive because it's better for me and it's better for Anand. Let's visit the website and try to see that it's really showing ads. I'm trying to, oh my god, it's really showing ads. So we already set up ads in it. It's really so easy. So no more today, let's goodbye. Like, comment and subscribe to the channel.